In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money in BET365 account. First, open the BET365 app or website and log into your account. Once you're in, tap the deposit button in the top right corner. You'll see a list of payment options like Visa, debit card, Apple Pay, PayPal, and more. Choose the method you want to use. Now enter your payment details like card number, name, expiry date, and CVV. Then enter the amount you want to deposit. If there's a bonus offer like bet credits, you can check the box to claim it. Scroll down, agree to the terms, and tap Acknowledge and Deposit. After a short wait, your money will appear in your account and you'll be ready to start placing bets. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.